Many of us wants to pay our own college fees because of by seeing the pain of our parents, how hard they are working to pay our fees or whatever it might be. We think about it, we think to try on that, but no one can do that. At the end, our parents will pay the money from their pocket. I want to take this responsibility of paying my own college fees before I go into my college. So I want to earn whatever the college fees it might be by learning new skill or using the existing skill and making the money. However, it might be. I will be taking this challenge till 7 to 8 months so that I could earn and pay my college fee. But the question over is why I want to do this. So what is the reason why I want to do this? So main thing is that we all see the pain of the parents, how hard they'll be working. Even I want to know how hard it is for a parent to educate their children. And the second thing is that this will make me to come out of my comfort zone and try new skills and try how to earn and all. And the third thing is that I will be doing many networks. I'll be traveling for other places so that I could gain some knowledge and earn through that. Now let us talk about what is my present income stream. So there is no any income stream for me right now. Just I'll get a 1400 because of this disability, and I was earning from the share market, but right now I'm not doing because of the uncertainty of timings, which is not okay for my college timing. Now let us speak about what income streams did I choose. So it might be changing or it might be adding in the further. I'll be doing many videos. It can be a part one of this video, and I'll be doing different parts whenever I get new whenever I learn a new skill and earn through that. So make sure you subscribe to the this channel, and if you like this video, please like this video. So what income streams did I choose is the first one is ads manager. So I learned how to run YouTube ads, Google ads and Facebook ads. With this I should find a client and I should earn through that. And my second income stream is obviously a share market. So this I kept as a second income stream because I want to work on my active income than passive income. So the second income stream is share market. How I'll be doing, what I'll be doing, I'll be saying in the further videos. Third income stream is courses. So I'll be doing some courses related to share market or whatever which I learn, and I'll be selling those to my friends, or I'll be doing some ads on that and I'll be selling those. And the fourth is drop shipping. So I'll be searching for a demand products and I'll be reselling to my friends or any other peoples. These are the four income streams which I choose for right now. It might be adding in the further. I'll be doing those videos. So before going further, these four whatever I said, these four income streams, I'm not even earning any single rupee, but I'll be starting to earn. I'll be updating you in my Instagram or in YouTube shorts, or I'll be making a complete video on how it is like in monthly how much I earned and all. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. So which skill I learn at the end of this challenge. So I'll be mastering my full stack web development and some other skill in this journey. So in order to know what happened before the day, so I'll be documenting in a diary every single day what I done, how hard I tried, what it happened, how much I earned, what skill I learned, what lessons I learned, and how much I earned. Am I expecting from this challenge at the end of this challenge? So first thing is that I want to change myself into a strong person, and second thing is that I will be coming out of my comfort zone and learning new skills and networking with the peoples. Third thing is that I will learn how to improve day by day, a 1% of improvement. So now what is the conclusion? So this is not a shift of motivation for you all. If you couldn't do any of this, if you couldn't learn any of these skills, you can just study properly and reduce the fees. Saving the money is equal to earning the money, so you can just study hardly and you can do. So this is my pathway, and I'll be bringing more videos on this. I'll be sharing my improvements and what I learned, how I earned, what skills I learned, So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.